well in your biology exam in this coming JAMB, you need to know the 15 topics that must come out. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through those topics that will come out. Remember that our goal in this coming JAMB for you is for you to score at least 300 plus in your JAMB. At least 300 plus in your JAMB. If you claim it, come under the comment of this video and tell me that you claim it. So we are serious about preparing you. I'm seriously giving you materials, videos, tutorials, past questions on all the things you will need to know and do in order to get high score in your JAMB and gain admission this year. If you are ready, let's dive in. Remember that if you watch this very video now, you are watching, if you watch from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you a gift. The gift I'm going to give you is I'll be giving you free JAMB past questions on biology. I also give you free JAMB syllables on biology. These are the tools that will help you to write once and make your grades and enter university. Remember also that if you want me to also give you syllables and past questions on the other 3 subjects, you know JAMB is 4 subjects. I'll give you on biology and give you on the other 3 subjects. If you need me to give you syllables, past question free on the other 3 syllables, on the other 3 subjects you'll be writing, just watch this video till the end and I will tell you how you can get those materials because they will help. The first topic you must focus and study on is living organisms. What? Living organisms. This one is always coming out. Under living organisms, study cell structure and functions. That is those organelles of a cell and their functions. Okay, so also learn the differences between plant and animal cells. So basically get your modern biology or any good biology textbook and read. Go to cell structure and living organism, read cell structure, then read levels of organization of life. What did I say? Levels of organization of life. Things like chlamydomonas, sponges, hydra, onion bulbs. These are very important. Then second topic out of the 15 is classification of living things. Classification of living things. So under it, you know, you have 5 kingdoms of life like Monera, Protista, Plantae, Animalia, Fungi, and their characteristics. Then hierarchy of classification, gradation of properties, major failure, and their respective organisms. So basically take your time and read up these things. The third topic out of the 15 topics you should focus on is nutrition. Nutrition is one of the characteristics of living things. So it's a must that you study it. It's a topic that you must pay great attention to, right? So most of nutrition, organisms, example, plant nutrition, animal nutrition, pay attention to that. The fourth topic that we are sure JAMB will set questions from is transport system. Transport system in the body. So these things are already in your modern biology textbook or any good biology textbook. So just get it and read up. Transport system in plants, transport system in animals, you know. Then respiration. Respiration. Anyone you are reading, you read it up both for plants and animals. Remember that at the end of this video, if you watch at the end, you will qualify to get free syllables, free past questions on biology and 3 other subjects. Okay, so the 5th out of the 15 is respiration, internal respiration and external respiration, both in plants and animals. Then the 6th topic is excretion. What I'm giving you are the topics that will make you score at least 300 in your JAMB. So I need you to pay great attention to it. JAMB is in a few months' time. Remember, JAMB is not like WAEC and NECO. It is computer based. You have about 180 questions to answer in your JAMB, and you have only 120 minutes to attempt 180 questions. So basically you have 40 seconds per question. That's why you need to pay great attention. You need to read hard There will be time to party, there will be time to play, but this time is the time for serious studies. That's why I want you to claim. Type under the comment and say, I claim 300 and above. Excretory system. Study excretory products and their sources, excretory organs and their mechanism, both in plant and animal. Properties and functions of cell. Cell will always come out every year. This year, cell will also come out. So study properties and functions of cell. Okay, the 8th topic, the 8th out of the 15. But by the way, in the functions of cell, I need you to study growth in plant and animal. Understand the patterns of growth and the hormones involved, e.g. auxins and gibberellins. Cells' responses to environmental stimuli. Learn about different types of nastic movement and tropism, e.g. phototropism, geotropism, and responses of organisms to these stimuli. These are things to expect in your biology in this coming JAMB exam. The next for you to study is supporting systems and movement. Under it, pay attention to skeletal systems, plant structure and plant support structures. These are very important. Under skeleton, of course, you need to study hydroskeleton, endoskeleton, exoskeleton, and the organisms that use them. You know, organisms like snail, millipede, centipede, they have exoskeleton. Like tortoise, all of them has exoskeleton. Human beings, what kind of skeleton do we have? Tell me in the comment section. Tell me. Come out of the comments and tell me the kind of skeleton that human beings have. Tell me the kind of skeleton that goats have. Digestive system. Okay, the next 9th topic for you is digestive system. Under digestive system, study modes of nutrition absorption, human digestive system. Then the 10th topic out of the 15 is reproductive. Very interesting topic for biology students. Okay, can you tell me under the comment your experience when your biology teacher taught you for the first time reproduction or reproductive system? How was the class? Okay, 10th topic, reproductive system. It's a must. It's a topic that must come out. Under a study, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. 11 out of 15 is neural coordination and sensory organs. These are things that will come out. Things about central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, automatic nervous system, sensory organs, homeostasis. Very interesting topic. These are the things that will come out. Now, when you read these things and watch all the videos in our channel, Noble Tutorials, we have done for you videos on past questions and answers on biology. We have done past questions and answers on chemistry. We have done past questions and answers on use of English. We have read out chapter by chapter Lakey Headmaster, the JAMB novel. We've read it for you. We've done expo questions on that. So if you need me to give you the link, anyone you need me to give you the link, is it the ones we have done on biology, past question and answer? Is it the ones we have done on Lakey Headmaster, on English, on chemistry? Anyone, just let me know so that I can forward them to you. The 12th topic is ecology. Say it, ecology. Under it, you study things like ecosystem, habitat, niche, environment, and biosphere. So biological associations like mutualism, commensalism, parasitism, and identify examples, right? Then study population, quadrat, population growth, and all the rest. The next topic is variation. Say it, variation. Say it, variation. It came out last year and it will come out this year, right? So study variation. It will always come out. Morphological and psychological variation, blood grouping and compatibility like AA, AS, AB, all the blood groups, all the. Now I want to give you an assignment. If you are watching this video, please come under the comment section of this video. That is the second assignment I'm giving you, and tell me the difference between genotype and phenotype. genotype, phenotype, and blood groups. Tell me and give me the examples. The 14th topic out of the 15th I'm giving you is adaptation. Adaptation. Under a study competition, types of different types of competition, that is intraspecific and interspecific. Remember, JAMB will not mellow down on the equations. They will set these things, begin now to prepare. Okay, adaptation, explore the structural, psychological, and behavioral adaptations of organisms to their environment. Then the 15th topic I'm recommending that will come out is heredity and genetics. Of course, you should know a person like MacGregor, the monk that did a lot of study on heredity and genetics. Heredity and what? Genetics. I want you to pay great attention to them. Right? Now, theory of evolution and all the rest. What you need to do now to get the syllabus past question, what you need to do is 3 things. Like this video, just click on like, then share this video. When you share on YouTube, copy the link, post it on all the JAMB groups you belong to, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on Facebook, on X, on Snapchat, on all those platforms. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Come under this very video you are watching and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you those materials free of charge. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.